Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to share with you my incredible toilet paper tornado. Check this out. All I'm using in this investigation is a 20-inch adjustable floor fan, some toilet paper, and some tape. The first step is to remove the outer covering from the fan. Next, unroll about 6 to 8 feet of toilet paper. Then take a piece of masking tape and attach the toilet paper to one of the blades. And now it's time for the tornado. Lift your toilet paper above the fan to get it started, and start the fan on low. And as it rotates, feed your toilet paper up into the vortex. And suddenly you have a toilet paper tornado. And then you can increase your speed. Now to demonstrate the Bernoulli principle, you can slowly rotate the tornado, and the vortex will maintain even at a horizontal position. Isn't that cool? And this is because that fast-moving air creates a low pressure zone, giving the toilet paper enough lift so it stays in a vortex even while it's sideways. Now, of course, I wanted to see if we could find some objects that would swirl within the vortex, and I found this small beach ball. Let's see if there's enough lift to hold the beach ball over the fan. Check it out! It stays right in that stream of fast-moving air. Let's see if we can get a vortex of toilet paper to swirl around it. Check it out. There's a couple principles at play in this demonstration. First is centripetal force. As those blades spin, it creates a force that pushes the toilet paper to the outside of the rotation, but it stays within that rotation because of the Bernoulli principle, which states that when there's a faster stream of moving air or liquid, you have low pressure. And so even when you tilt the fan sideways, that vortex maintains its shape because it's in a stream of fast-moving air where there's less pressure. And then the atmospheric pressure around that stream of fast-moving air holds the toilet paper vortex in place, even while it's sideways. Just an amazing demonstration and easy to do. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.